Under what condition will the point x, y be lying on the line joining 3, 4 and -5, -6? Let us begin. So what we'll do here is first we are going to consider a triangle ABC having the coordinates x, y, 3, 4 and -5, -6 respectively. What we'll do here next will be to find out the area of this particular triangle by using the formula half multiplied to the absolute value of x1 times y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y1 minus y2. So here x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So let us begin. So that means the area of this triangle ABC, that's going to be half multiplied to, so we'll start with the x coordinate of point A. So that corresponds to x1, so that's simply x. That will be multiplied to y2 minus y3. So y2 will correspond to the y coordinate of B. So that's 4. And from here, we're going to subtract the y coordinate of C. That's y3. So we have 4 plus 6. Then we go to x2. x2 is going to correspond to the x coordinate of B, which is simply positive 3. And then this will get multiplied to y3 minus y1. So y3 is -6 and y1 will be y. We have -6 minus y. Then we go to the x coordinate of C, which is going to correspond to x3. So we have -5 multiplied to y1 minus y2. So that's going to be y minus 4. Fine. So this will be equals to half multiplied to, so 4 plus 6, that's 10. We have 10x. Then we get 3 multiplied to -6 minus 1. So that's -18 minus 3y minus 5y plus 5 times 4, that's going to be 20. Further simplification is going to give us half multiplied to 10x minus, we have -3y and -5y, so that's going to become -8y. -18 plus 20, that's simply going to be 2. What we can do, we can factor out 2 from inside the absolute value. So 2 comes out, then we have 5x minus 4y plus 1 whole divided by 2. So the 2 and 2 get factored out and we get the expression for the triangle. The area of the triangle, that's going to be 5x, the absolute value of 5x minus 4y plus 1 equals plus 1. Now, we have to find out the condition such that the point x, y is going to lie on the line joining 3, 4 and -5, -6. Now think about it. It's saying that the point A is going to lie on the line joining B and C. This must be the position of A, x, y, which would mean that the point A, B and C are collinear in nature. If they're collinear, it's simply going to be a straight line, the point A, B and C, and it's not going to have any area. Its area will be 0. And also that's the condition for collinearity. So that means this must be equals to 0. So we get the required condition. That means 5x minus 4y plus 1 must be equals to 0. And if this particular criterion is met, then we can say that the point x, y is going to lie on the line joining 3, 4 and -5, -6.